So, yeah, there's a two-group problem with data sufficiency. Here's one thing. There's specific data sufficiency overlapping sets type where they ask, are there more of one than the other? That's a case where, I mean, this is kind of a common trick where if I see that, I maybe skip doing the chart, and you'll see the trick in a second, but I can skip doing the chart because I just need to compare the two. 4% of the students who study French also study Japanese, okay? So at least 100, that's not very helpful because we don't know how many total. Okay, but so number one, 16 students studied both French and Japanese. Okay, that's good, but we don't know how many people study Japanese, nor do we have any comparisons, so that's not sufficient. Number two, 10% of the students who study Japanese also study French. So hold on a second. The people who study Japanese but also study French are the same people who study French but also study Japanese. That's the same group of people, that's just the people who study both. Now that set group of people, that represents 4%, like the Japanese and French takers. That represents 4% of those who study French, but a full 10% of those who study Japanese. That means there has to be more people taking French, because this set group of people, that's 10% of the Japanese speakers. So it's like, there's 10 times as many people taking Japanese, but it's only 4%, a smaller share of the people studying French. So that means more people are studying French. So 2 alone answers the question.